Let us start with the clinical thermometer topic. So what is a clinical thermometer? An instrument used to measure body temperature of human and animals. And the range of temperature given on the thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. So this 35 and 42 range is given because the normal human body temperature is near about 35 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Only a small variation we can see in different bodies of human or animal. Now in this figure you can see two types of thermometers given, that is digital thermometer and a normal thermometer in which mercury is used. So now here in the digital we can see that the temperature can be seen easily, but in mercury thermometer we have to check the readings till where the red line goes or the red pointer moves. So if we take the temperature in degrees Celsius, we have 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, and if we take in Fahrenheit it is 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 108 degrees Fahrenheit, and normal body temperature on Fahrenheit scale is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let us see the construction of this thermometer. Here you can see glass bulb is there. In this glass bulb mercury is filled, and you can see here this line like structure. So this is a capillary tube present. Through this capillary tube only this mercury is flowing this direction. So why this mercury is flowing this side? Because the mercury is filled here, and as it gains heat of the body it starts expanding or moves wherever it gets space. So it is getting space in the upward direction here or in the forward direction. So we can see that the mercury will start moving here, and in between you can see a constriction point is given, a U-like structure constriction. So this constriction helps to hold the mercury till where it has gone. And in digital thermometer only the numberings we can see, like digital clocks we have, so only the timing we can see. So in thermometer, as this bulb is getting inside in the mouth or in the armpit, it starts increasing in the temperature. So normal temperature is shown here 37 degrees Celsius. So I am not going deep into how to calculate the temperature because we all know how to use thermometer. And where is the thermometer kept while taking the reading? It is kept inside the mouth, or if a small child is there then below armpit. So that gives the reading on the thermometer. Now here some of the precautions given how to use clinical thermometer. So the first point is given, wash the thermometer well before and after every use. And then second point is given, ensure that the temperature or the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius. And next one is, never hold the thermometer by the bulb. Why? Because if we hold from the bulb, that means mercury is there, so that will gain heat from our body, so the reading will start increasing. So that's why we should never hold the thermometer with the bulb. Next is to keep the thermometer below the tongue or under the tongue, and if a small child is there then we are keeping in the armpit, and if we are keeping under the armpit then 1 degree Celsius is increased. We have to add 1 degree Celsius because that is not giving correct reading as on the tongue. Next is, to read the temperature, the thermometer should be at eye level, otherwise it will give parallax error that we have already studied in the measurement. And the last point is given, never wash the thermometer in hot water. So these precautions we have to keep in mind while using clinical thermometer.